the materials needed came inside one single box, including the slats, the frame, the tools, and it made it easier to transport from the main apartment building to the garden level room. And from the room, I brought it into the main room where I was going to hold it and set it up. And as you can see here, having one single package made it easier. These are the tools included that will come inside, and they will be used for that. The tool that you see me grab will be useful. I did not know about it until the end, and so it took my process of much longer than I thought it would. All in all, it took about 45 to 50 minutes to complete, but I think if I had used the tool that I showed earlier, it would have sped up the process. It did not come with a tool to cut, so I just used whatever tool I had at my disposal since I'm still just moving in. And here is my assistant panting because it's a summer and we haven't had the AC set up yet. So inside the box is another box. So in case the outer box got damaged, they made sure that the rest of the material would stay intact. So now that the second box is open, as you can see, all the materials are all in there. So it does make good impressions for how things are sent through Amazon. As you can see here, this is the main bed frame, the color that I chose. The slats are a different color. And the good thing about the slats is that they have some form of Velcro tape that attaches to the bed frame so the slats don't slip around. That's an issue that I have with some of the IKEA bed frames. The slats would move around even when the mattress was on top. As you can see, everything is pretty much protected through this white protective cloth, and the tools that I mentioned are in there. All the frames come pretty much marked with where you're going to do it, and the instructions tells you what numbers to put on first. Although I would recommend starting off with the twos. I started off with the ones, but I think that took a bit longer once I joined all those frames together. That tool I used towards the end, and I think that if you use it from the very beginning, it will speed up the process, especially because some areas become difficult to twist and turn.